walking in the inner streets of Shibuya, Tokyo. We're just following yung map. Exercise also. We stayed in a Airbnb house. Just 12 to 15 minutes na walk. Medyo paakyat siya. Good exercise. Oh, turn right here. Huh? May daanan ba dito? Turn right. It's a walk. So Shibuya is one of the most famous, if not the most famous destination here in Tokyo. So yung map, so follow nyo. Straight. No, that's turn right here. So just follow yung turn right down here. Oh, diretso lang, no? Straight. Well, hirap man doon mag-turn right.
Turn right.
Oh, this is walk. Hindi ba feasible yung walk here? Houses here, then of course yung one of their famous na convenience store. We can turn right here though. You see? Doon. Here. We can turn right here. Then follow yung directions there. Sige. Hindi natin. Pwede naman dito. Oh. Turn right. Sige. 10 minutes. Ito na yung this is yung subway. Okay, just straight na directions. Okay.
Head southwest.
Saan ba? Let's just walk here. No? So kita natin yung main road here. 12 minutes. Then 9 minutes.